Hello my friends, and how are you today? We're going to do a quick little tutorial for you on how to draw a basic caricature. Okay, so I like to kind of mix it up. You can see here that the young lady is of the Asian descent, so we'll go ahead and we're going to see what we can do to make her cartoon face. Okay, what I like to do first, guys, I always like to establish my head shape first. So what I'll do here is I'm just going to establish a basic little head shape. What I'm thinking about here is pretty much a diamondy shaped face. Okay, and that looks like a really good little drawing, so let me let you slow down and so you can take note of what I just drew. Okay, now I always like to give the ladies a little thin neck. Okay, and then we can do whatever the shoulders are. We can do something like this here. Okay, now we're going to draw, see how the little ears kind of peeking out from behind there, so I'll like draw that real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw the top portion of her head. So once again, we want to stay with the idea of the diamond, so we want to bring our hair, her forehead here. See, if you look at, imagine a line kind of going from here to here, and my diamond is here. So that's how I knew where to start my forehead shape from. A lot of times you have to draw from what you know and not what you're seeing, you know, because it'll throw you off sometimes. So you just got to know that. All right, and then over here, once again, I know what my diamond shape is. So you see how I'm continuing to be true to the diamond shape of my face? See, look here, and look right there, and then picture that diamond. No matter what I draw, it's true to that shape. I'm always going to complement my alpha shape. My alpha shape is my dominant shape in my picture, which in this case, in all cases, should be your head shape. So never refer to it as regular shape now. It's going to be dominant shape. Now, I don't want to, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of give the top of my diamond, right, a little bit of bluntness up here because of the top of the head. I don't want my cheekbones to be taken away from at all, because that's an important part of the picture. So when I bring this hair down, I'm gonna be sure to bring it behind that cheekbone, and then maybe I'll go long ways with it. I'm not gonna be able to get it all in because of the size of the paper, but you understand what I did. Now over here, what I'm gonna do is, because I understand that there's literally a globe back here for the back of the head. So I'm saying, okay, my globe comes out here, so about right here is going to start bending down, and then I can just bring my hair down once again, like so. Okay, and let's put another line here. Okay, you get it? Alright, got it. You ready to go caricature now? Alright. Now what I'll do here is I've established where my center line is, which is going to be somewhere around here, because I don't want her forehead, I want her forehead to be kind of prominent. So I'm going to make sure that I put my eyebrows low enough, and I don't want them to be real big, because once again, she has a big forehead. So if I put big shapes inside of the forehead, it's going to take away from the size of the forehead. So what I understand now is I just have to make everything small here. If I make her eyes small, I don't want anything to really compete too much with her forehead. If it's going to do any competing, it has to be down here at the bottom where it's not in the forehead, but I want that forehead shape to stand out. That is my alpha shape. Now I'm going to do my eyes. These are really simple eyes to draw, okay? Just take note. We'll just do I call these the little arc eyes. See how easy they are to draw? And so now you know how to draw somebody that's Asian. Okay? And then look, we don't want anything to compete. So we're gonna do like that, okay? Now let's just do about 1, 2, 3, 4 little 1, 2, 3, 4 little eyelashes there. And then we'll put some little ones here on the bottom. Not too much, okay? Now, let us go ahead and draw our nose. Now, let's pay attention here. The nose, if you look at the middle portion of the nose here, there's not a lot going on here. In fact, there's nothing really there to grab onto. So you don't want to make a shape right there just because you just don't want to do it. If you want to do anything, it'd be very minimal. I might do something like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then I want my nose shape to be the thing that's going to dominate in the middle of the face. But once again, everything needs to be balanced. I don't want you to look at this picture and say, "Oh, look at that big nose," because remember what I said. My focus here was that forehead. Okay. So we get these we want to get the features right, but we don't want to distract from the alpha shape. Now, down here we can make her smile a little bit bigger, because now that's not going to really compete, and it's going to be balanced. So you got some, think about the face as a scale. So this is kind of where the scale is now, because this is you see my pen is heavier on this end, so my scale is doing this. So now I can put a feature here to make it kind of balance out. Excuse my French here. I mean my Chinese. Sorry. And I'm going to put something here to balance my face. So my nose being the middle, the forehead being the thing that is drawing most of the attention. So now to get a nice balance here, I'll go ahead and I'm going to draw my mouth shape here. Okay, I want a small upper lip, because the further down to the bottom it is, the more balanced it would be. You see, because if I put a big lip here, it's not going to balance. It's going to be too much. So we want the weight to be all the way like at the bottom of the face. So now when I draw this lip in, watch this. You see how big that lip is now? Boom, we got the balance that we want. So now we come over here, put her teeth in, some gum line, okay, and then we'll add a little line like this, and you see we got an easy little cartoon picture. So let's go ahead and just color in our eyebrows. My teaching method is to use something very basic and simple, something you already know, something that your mind already understands how to draw if it came down to it, and turn that thing into a feature. And don't think about features, like don't think about eyes, think of it as something else that looks like the eye, or the eye looks like something else, and then you'll be able to draw it easier. In the last part of the drawing, I usually take a gray marker here. This is a cool gray. You can use a Crayola gray if you want to. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a little bit of shadow here. But now look at how look at that. Look at how it looks. It doesn't look as bold because it's gray. You can use a shadow instead of a line to make your face shape, your nose shape. Okay, you see that? Now what I'll do here is I'll just add a little bit of mascara, not too much where it's too distracting. Okay, a little bit of lines here. Okay, and let's go ahead and just kind of give those lips a little life there. Okay. Look at that, guys, coming out awesome. Okay, and then what we can do here is we can take our marker. You see that cheekbone there? I'll do something like this. Once again, staying true to my diamond shape all the time. Okay? Last part of the drawing is to do the hair. So, oh wait a minute, I forgot to put some shadow here and here. And here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's take our crayon here. Okay. And then we're just gonna color in the hair. I always color on the side of my crayon, because then you can do better effects that way. You can work in layers. I'm having to hold my paper down here, guys, so just bear with me. My next video, maybe I'll tie the paper down, tape it to the desk. Sometimes I like to move my paper when I'm drawing, so. Okay. And so there you have it, guys. Let me do this real quick. I'm just gonna soften that line. Okay. And then we'll put a little shadow here. Okay. There we go. That's awesome. Okay, guys, so there you have it. That's Caricature Drawing 101. The basics of it all. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you would like to join us, our live art stream, we have those daily, Monday through Friday. We even have one on Saturday mornings. You can go to the description box below. It will tell you everything you need to know to be able to participate in our class online, in our live stream online. Also, guys, we have a live art class. That's right, guys, we have a live art class where we teach this online. So you can go to our website, Rowserworld, at Rowserworld.com, excuse me. Then you can go to the classes tab, and it'll tell you all the classes, what's scheduled. So we offer the one-on-one classes, and then we also offer the group classes. So if you want to participate in that, guys, we'll be more than happy to have you become one of our pupils. It's going to be awesome. And other than that, guys, that's all I got for you today. So you guys, I hope that you learned a little something about drawing caricature, and you have a blessed and wonderful evening. See you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.